going home, your hard-working culinary team would like to serenade her talent to all of you. And for your hard-working waiter and waitresses as well, they will serenade their talent. Allow me to introduce to all of you. Tonight, she is very talented from culinary team. Mostly we cannot see them because they are very busy, to be honest, to prepare your food, just to ensure that they go on time to the table. Please welcome. I'd like to introduce to all of you, Marianne.
Once again, I'm Marian from Pastry Department. And how's your dinner? Good. And in behalf of culinary team, 101 chefs on board, we would like to say thank you and enjoy the rest of the night and enjoy your meal.